Morning, it's day 3, Thursday today. I was so tired last night when I got back. I had such a good day for my birthday, but I was really tired, so I've got up a bit later today. It's now about 10 o'clock. I'm gonna go to Disneyland and do all the park today, do all the rides in Disneyland, because I spent a lot of time in the other park yesterday, so I want to do Disneyland today. I've got my hat on because it was so hot yesterday. I got really hot. I'm hoping this will keep me a little bit cool. So yeah, off to Disneyland. I just rode Splash Mountain. I didn't get too wet. I'm actually not too bad. It's different but the same as Florida. It's really surreal. You sit in single file rather than in twos. But yeah, it was really good, and I'm glad I didn't get too wet. No, not really. I'm glad I got a fast pass. There's a 50-minute wait now. Yeah, I'd really suggest getting max pass. It's really good.
Through an ancient Cambodian shrine and holy cheese and crackers, the Indo-Chinese tiger. Look, kids, a tiger that size could easily grow to be 500 pounds and leap 25 feet. Yeah, but don't worry, kids, we're 15 feet away. They'll jump right over us. Up next, we're going to stop by our safari camp. Heard they're making hamburgers. Oh no, no squirt. No. What are you doing? He's reloading. You guys on the side, watch out. He's coming back up. I'm not joking. Use the kid as a shield. I mean, shield the kid. I'm up ahead. We're going to check it out. Oh my goodness, that one has a gun. Oh, that one has a gun. Sorry, we should keep going. Why did I slow down? What? No, it's a tour group. No, guys, we're just passing. They don't know you guys. Ambush, get down. Is everybody okay? Those are spears. Let's just keep going. Here's a moment you've been waiting for. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the 8th wonder of the world. It's the backside of water. Woohoo! We're surrounded. Keep your hands inside. Please don't jump in the water. And whatever you do, don't stick your hand in either. We had an English teacher do that, and now she teaches shorthand. Woo! That was scary. Oh, thank goodness piranhas can't turn right. Give yourselves a round of applause. You've just survived the world-famous jungle cruise. Yay! As we approach the dock, please remain seated. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside once again. We just don't want your hands getting caught between the boat and the dock. While I do have you, we got a couple words from our sponsors. First off, a big thank you to the people over at the law office of G. Rath, sticking their neck out for you since 1955. Also, a big thank you to the gentleman over at the Miracle Boat Engine Company, reminding us, if it makes it around the jungle and back safely, it's got to be a miracle. And lastly, our holiday sponsor, holidays are just around the corner, a big thank you to the Animal Cracker Company. Not only a great stocking stuffer, but teaching kids for generations that all animals taste the same.
The bench, please, on their bottom. All little ones have to be seated on a bench on their bottom. Thank you.
Let's play a game. It's called See Who Can Be Quiet the Longest. I'll send you a postcard from Paradise Falls. It's out there, it's heading our way.
Racers, looking good!
Just walking down Cars Land at night is absolutely incredible. Look at the detail. It's just amazing. Feels like you're actually in the movie. It's so well done. We got the Cozy Comb Motel as well. It's flows. There's the Cozy Comb Motel. And then Mater's over there having pictures, and then you've got all the cones all the way around. It's just incredible. And they did this thing, they played the same song as they do in the movie when all the lights come on, and then they did this dance thing, and then they were giving out badges, so it's got Stanley on it, and California Adventure Cars Land, so that's a nice keepsake. But it was amazing. They played the song from the movie, and then all the lights came on one by one, just like when they're driving down. Oh, it was amazing. So I'm gonna go and get a spot for the parade now. But yeah, I'm just enjoying Cars Land at night. It's amazing. floats were amazing. Oh, it was so good. Everyone was dancing at the end, it was brilliant. I'm just going to walk back to the hotel now, but I can hear the fireworks going off in Disneyland Park, so I might see if I can see some of them from outside. But yeah, it's been a good night. So it looks like everyone's had the same idea to watch the fireworks outside Disneyland.